Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the sequence so captions match your final export. Import your media, then create a dedicated caption track. Open captions are flexible for styling. Once done, choose Captions, create new caption file, and pick SRT or Open Captions depending on whether you need burned-in styling. Make sure the time base matches your sequence frame rate. Mismatched frame rates cause drift. As you add the caption asset to the timeline, lock the tracks. You now create and sync captions line by line using the text panel or the captions inspector. Place the playhead where a phrase begins, add a caption segment, type the text, and then extend or trim the segment to match speech. Use frame nudges when needed. Once you finish a block, move to the next pause and repeat. Also use the audio waveform and snapping so your captions land on syllable starts. This reduces rework and keeps reading comfortable for viewers. You finalize captions by styling them for legibility. Adjust font size, contrast, background box, and safe area position so text isn't cut off. Once styled, export captions as sidecar SRT for distribution, embed them in the MXF/MP4, or choose burn-in for platforms that require fixed subtitles. If you encounter drift or misalignment after export, check that sequence and caption file frame rates match. If not, conform the media or retime captions using rate conform to fix sync without retyping everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.